Depending on what you need to update, you can choose the editing flow that fits best. From the homepage, select the PDF, then click the Upload More File option. Upload your PDF and click Continue. When you upload a PDF, Flipsnack analyzes the file and detects its text blocks, images, and fonts. Once processing is complete, these elements become editable elements on the canvas inside the Design Studio. You can click on any detected text box and edit it. From here, you can modify the text content, font size, alignment, and color. Note that Flipsnack preserves the original font from your PDF as accurately as possible. However, some PDFs are optimized and do not embed the full font file. In these cases, the PDF may only contain the characters that were used in the document. When this happens, the detected font may not exist in Flipsnack font library, which means we cannot guarantee full editing support. If you try to edit that text, you may see a red warning in the Edit panel, indicating that the font is unavailable. We are currently working on automatically matching PDF fonts with the Flipsnack library, which will reduce or eliminate this warning in the future. We recommend one of the following options. Replace the font with a similar one from the Flipsnack font library. Or 2. Upload the original font to your branding fonts section so it becomes available in the editor. Just click on an image to edit it. You can replace it, crop it, apply filters, adjust the styling, or even swap it with something from your Uploads panel. If you want to keep the original publication unchanged and work on a separate editable version instead, just go to the homepage and find the publication you want to edit. Click the 3 dots and select Make Editable Copy. Then just open the new copy in Design Studio and start editing. Use this option when you only need to update one page and do not want to convert the full publication. Simply open your publication in the Design Studio and go to the page you want to edit and click Edit Page. Then click Edit Page in the pop-up and wait while Flipsnack converts the page into editable content. Once the conversion is done, just go through the page and update the text, images, or layout as needed.